SaucerSwap, the new decentralized exchange for Hedera Hashgraph, just launched. I'm going to go over how to navigate the website, how to stake your crypto, and how to make the most money from it. Stay tuned. As soon as you head over to the SaucerSwap Finance, as you can see, this is the pioneering DEX on Hedera. The TVL, the total locked value, is 9 million. This actually just broke past 9 million, and the market cap is $10 million. Now, this is important. I'm going to touch on this here in a minute. The circulating supply of Sauce is the native token for this decentralized exchange, is 207 million. Now, as you can tell, they are supported by hbar Foundation. The collaborators are Hedera, Stater, and Hashpack. Now, I'm going to touch on how to use a Hashpack wallet here in a second if you're new. Audited by Hackin. So, Hashpack is the wallet that you're going to need to be able to connect to SaucerSwap. All you got to do is go to hashpack.app, go to download, or you can use a Google Chrome extension, which is what I use. And as soon as you come in here, you're going to hit create a new wallet, and then create a new wallet using Ledger, or you can use another wallet. Now, this is a seed phrase, which I am not going to use because it is all over YouTube right now. But you would want to copy down your seed phrase and do not give it to anybody ever. Write it down on a piece of paper, take a picture of it with your phone, email it to yourself, whatever it may be. Now I'm going to go back because I already have a wallet. Now, as soon as you have your wallet, you are going to go to SaucerSwap and you're going to connect wallet. At this point, you can hit Hashpack, hit approve for video wallet, and there you go. Now in the top left, this right here is your wallet address. So if you're going to send money to your wallet to fund it, make sure this is the address you use. Now, I highly suggest sending a test run first every single time. Send just 10 hbar. I believe the minimum is 10. You have to send it, make sure you receive it, then you can send whatever you're using to fund. But now I am connected to SaucerSwap. As you can see here in the top right, if I go all the way to the top, hit these three dots, I can click Profile, Docs and Help, and Analytics. Now, if I go to Profile, as you can tell, this is my wallet address. If I had any NFTs, this is where it would populate. Now, in their docs section, I really want to touch on Roadmap. They keep up to date with this, and I think this is absolutely amazing, talking about what they've been able to complete so you can keep track of what they've promised and what they've completed. As you can tell, this is everything that they've done. What they have upcoming is a DAO-based governance, phase 1 and 2, limit orders, expert mode. I don't know what expert mode is, but I'm actually really curious to find out. Native staking, the farm version 2, currently ongoing community pools. They want to expand the back end. They want to upgrade analytics. Now, analytics is another tab that I wanted to show you guys. This tab is absolutely amazing. You could see the price changes of all 27 tokens, the price currently, the volume, and the liquidity for each token. On top of just the tokens, if you scroll down, you can see the pools, you can see the pairs, and the liquidity. Then on top of that, you can see the daily fees and the LP rewards. Now, these are the APR rewards for specific pairs. So as soon as you connect your wallet and you fund it with some hbar, you can come over to Swap and you can trade hbar for sauce. Now, I want to touch on sauce real quick. Right now, one sauce is worth 0.63 hbar. And as you can see right here, hbar's price right now on Live Coin Watch is 7.6 cents. So it is 0.63. So we're going to do 0.63 times 0.07, which is 4 cents per sauce coin. Now let's take a look at some other native tokens. PancakeSwap, when it first came out, sitting roughly around 41 cents, and during the bull run it peaked to $42. That is an easy 100x. Let's look at sushi. Sushi had an initial pump and then it went down to 48 cents per sushi. Then it pumped all the way up to $22.91. That is roughly a 50x right there. Let's look at Uni. Uniswap was down at $2. Then it pumped all the way up to $43. As you can tell, the theme is these native coins are usually going to pump at some point or another. So this is why I'm extremely bullish on Sauce. And this is where that $10 million market cap comes into play as well. Now, let's go over to Farm. or also known as crop circles. And you could see your liquidity pools. You could see your pairs right here. You could see the liquidity. You could see your APR. You could see your earnings. Now I'm going to be using hbar and sauce. As stated previously, I think sauce is going to appreciate, so it's not the highest APR, but I plan to get a huge return from appreciating on sauce. As you can tell, I already have some stakes, so for the sake of the video, I'm going to unstake everything. Okay, now that I've unstaked everything, I'm going to walk you through the process. If you need liquidity tokens, you can click Get HBAR and Sauce. It will take you over to the liquidity tab. Now, when you go to create your tokens, it will pop up your Hashpack. It will have you wrap your HBAR, then it will give you an LP token of Sauce and wrapped HBAR. So you're going to have to approve a few transactions on here. So just to show you how it's done, I'm going to come down here to Sauce. I'm going to hit max. And one sauce or one hbar. This is what it'll give me, the liquidity tokens. I'm going to hit supply, then I'm going to hit approve. As soon as I hit approve, it'll execute the transaction, and there we go, we are now done. So then we're going to come back to our crop circles. We are going to go down to hbar and sauce, and we are going to hit stake. Now it shows that we have none. Don't worry, this is common. Just hit refresh. As soon as you refresh, you are going to go back down, hbar, sauce, stake. Here we go. Click max, stake, approve, and there we go. We are done. It is that easy. It is that simple. If you would like to, you can click on your portfolio and you will see your liquidity pool token staked, unstaked, and how much is in your Hashpack. Now, as you can see right here, this is what we've earned so far since about 30 seconds ago when we started staking. If we go back to our crop circles, go down to hbar and sauce, this is what we've earned. Approximated earnings based on current APR. At any time, you can unstake this. As you saw earlier in the video, click unstake, it's super simple. Or we can hit harvest, approve again, and just like that, we have harvested all of our earnings so far of sauce and hbar. And as you can tell, it is currently going back up. So as this goes back up, you can come in here and then you can make more liquidity tokens. That's up to you. But that is how you operate on SaucerSwap. I think that this provides a unique opportunity. One, you catch a DEX at the beginning, you catch the native token at the beginning, and more importantly, you're getting in these liquidity pools before they take off. Look at Olympus DAO. If you look at Time Wonderland before that crash, a lot of the money comes from the appreciation. But other than that, this is incredibly simple. I personally think that HBAR ecosystem is doing phenomenal with this. This is extremely good. You have yield farming, you have liquidity pools. It is huge for the ecosystem, especially using HBAR smart contracts. I think a lot more people are going to understand the benefits of hashgraph technology versus blockchain technology. Now, before you go aping into anything, do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. Look at Time Wonderland. Everyone aped into it because they saw the APY and they were just like, I'm going to be a millionaire by next year. You need to take it slow, be smart with your investments, do your research, practice good risk management. Other than that, I hope that this helped you be able to understand how to operate SaucerSwap a little bit more, navigate the site, how to use the farm or the crop circles. Anyways, have a good one.